Okay, hi guy, welcome back to QA Vũ this week. Hope everything is good for you and your family. Today I just opened it's called cell risk activation. I don't know cell risk activation. What it is? Cell risk activation. First, this one from the security Ackerman. It's called cell bridge. It's a cost or not. Normally, it's not not cost anything, right? And Ackerman will send you this one. Okay, so I opened it. Put this away here. First, you have to open this one. Open it. If your house has the security, you should order this one. So this is a manual instruction. So we have answered some questions. Okay, here the box. This looks very nice. Okay, here you see this one. This is a little bit heavy. A little bit heavy. Power side. It have power 4G LTE 3G stated silent. So first we should answer some question. First, if your house has Ackerman security, you have to order this from Ackerman, and how much the Ackerman sale risk cost. It is sale risk. Then this one is free, and there is no extra cost for the device, and your monthly service cost were not charged. And how do I order an Ackerman sale risk? I think that when I order, it should be directly to your security home and or business. If your security home or business, it's allow like 3 or 5 business day for the sale risk will arrive to your house or to your business. If it hasn't arrived, and you can call to Ackerman customer care, and they put the number 678 301 5394. So you can call the number as customer care 678 301 5394. And how do we install Ackerman service device? And first, you have to determine the place where your service device, that means you where this one is you want to place, and it's recommended that it should be within 25 feet of your alarm box. That means the alarm, you have the alarm box, so you have to install alarms. This one 25 feet is near 25 feet. In this, I open this. It have this one is directly with this the login. So after that, it's maybe not. You have to enter the code. Yeah. So what happened to more? We have to go to put this one. That's been for this one set in should be in a flex place, and you can put near your your crowds. Okay, and what it is, this one you have to put directly in the in the electric slug, and don't use the other one. Don't use the other one. Put in the outlet. So we have the second one, you lock this one into the outlet. Do you the entrance cord or power strip, and the test, the next step, you have one connect is make on. When you connect to the outlet, and you see power, and this is power, it is a power line, 4G LTE line, trigger line, status line, and on line is appear, and on line is turn green, and it's take around about like 2 or 5 minutes, and after that on this one are green. You text the word active, you take the word active to the number 833-534-1606. Okay, you have to type the active, take the word active. I can spell that ACTIVATE to the number 833-534-1606. Yeah. So after that, you will have the lines, and here they have the quest, the number. I will ring it to you and to show you how to do that here for the first and the second, how to install. And they said that it will have 5 minutes to do that. So you can see here for the paper, and here the last, on the LED is in green. Yeah, in here yeah, let's try it. Okay, I think you can try it by yourself, and it's very yellow and red. Okay, and drag this, and it is the instruction. These are the number like active, and the take the number 833-534-1606. Okay, very quick to review this one. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much for your watching, and see you in next video. Hope this video will useful for you and your security to your home or your business. Thank you so much. Please click like button or subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much for your watching. See you in next video.